Oh, what a shame. I wasn't recording. But I got 3/4 cup of flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, 2-yard farm-raised Banny eggs, because I don't have any large eggs. Anybody knows J.D. Watson, tell him that's his cornmeal in there, that fresh ground cornmeal with the self-rising ingredients already in it. And just for giggles, I'm going to pour a little bit of Raisin Cane. That's real corn syrup right there. Homemade cane syrup, my bad. I mean, we're making it with water. What can go wrong, really? And we're going to pour a little water in there. We're using water because I don't have any milk. And I really want some cornbread. So it can't be that bad. I'm sure somebody's made it with water before. But today, right here, because we're about to find out. It's a little bit runny, but we'll add a little bit more cornmeal to that. There you go. You want it to drip off, but not drip off real fast. And I used almost a cup of water. I'm gonna let the pan get hot, and then I'm gonna finish putting some beans and collard greens on, and I'll show you the next step. To spice up them turnip greens in a can, pour a little chicken broth in there. You see all your butter's melted, and some people use lard, Crisco. I actually have some Crisco. I didn't think about putting it in there. Anybody that makes cornbread knows you pour that grease in that cornbread. Look here, and you got a well-oiled skillet. Then you mix that grease in that cornbread. Mix it up good, and then pour it in the pan. You have yourself a silicone spatula. That way you can get all that cornbread out. No cornbread left behind. And this is a number 6 cast iron skillet. That's all it wants to hold. Maybe a little bit too much, but we're going to go with it. Alright, the cornbread just come out of the oven. Stick a knife in the center of it. As long as you don't have no wet batter on it, cornbread's done. Okay, Courtney's going to try the cornbread. I haven't told her what to say, so she can give us her honest opinion.
It's good. It's a little softer than when I make it, so it's good. It's really good, actually.
So there you go. Water. If you're out of milk, you can make cornbread with water.
Mm-hmm.